Welcome back to the Medicare Show. I'm your host and Medicare advisor, Jeffrey Kuhn. And today I have got a special guest yet again, Darcie from Excellus BlueCross BlueShield. I say /Univera, which is Western New York. Mm-hmm. And today's episode is on something I always get asked a lot of questions about, and that is my gym membership. Yes. How do I use it? What's it called? So we're going to be going over that in detail today. So if you've got Excellus or Univera or you're new, this is what you need to know and how it works. So Darcie, let's assume I just got my new Medicare plan, Advantage plan with a fitness membership, and I want to start going to the gym. What do I do?
Okay.
How do I use it?
Well, great question. Yeah. So we utilize a vendor called FitOn. They're newer to the Excellus. And essentially, there's a couple ways you can do that. So if you are a member who's a little more tech savvy, you can certainly go online. You create an account. Basically, you're signing on to myexcellusmedicare.com. From there, there's a health and wellness tab. So down towards the bottom, you'll see a tab that says go to FitOn, and that's where the member would register. Once the member's registered with FitOn, they would select another tab that states in person. At that point, a window pops up with their membership number, and they essentially take their membership number along with their photo ID to their facility of their choice, and that's that.
And that's on a computer, not an app.
Correct. So
okay.
So FitOn, basically they can get to FitOn right through the myexcellusmedicare.com portal. If they do not have access to a computer.
I was just going to say, let's pretend I'm my father. It's not going to happen. Like, if I'm going to have to do it for him, but if he wants to do this, and he did, what do you recommend if you're not comfortable navigating around on a computer?
You or your dad are going to call FitOn directly. So you would reach out to FitOn by phone, and they can assist you through the registration process and then help you get into the facility of your choice. Most facilities, the credits are going to vary. So that's another thing is with FitOn, this is a credit system. So for in-network gyms, you have 36 credits per month. Each credit is worth about $3.50. So for in-network, you're looking at roughly $126 a month that you have to go to whatever facility of your choice. If you're looking to go to a gym that's maybe considered out of network, then it's minimized a little bit more, but you have a total of $90 per month to utilize towards an out of network facility.
Okay, so you got 126, you said a month?
126 for in-network and then 90 for out-of-network. Also be aware with the out-of-network, you can only use one out-of-network facility at a time.
So if I have 126 to use in network, can I belong to two different gyms?
You can. So again, it's based on a credit system. So, if you have a facility that requires 20 credits, well, you have 16 left over. Mm-hmm. So you can use that 16 credits towards another facility. You can use it towards, say, like a day pass. Say you want to do a spin class, or you want to just meet your friend and do a yoga class. You can utilize it towards a day pass as well. Mm-hmm.
I think I might have asked this once before, but I have clients, the hottest rave with, we'll call it seniors, pickleball.
That is a good question.
How do I find out? Can I look up somewhere? Is my club or is this pickleball place I go to
so
covered?
Pickleball has become huge. And it seems like it's really fun. I have not personally tried it. I would like to. But I would recommend reaching out to FitOn directly or utilizing their website. Just by punching in your zip code or the name of the facility you're looking to utilize, it will populate all different gyms within your area. And the nice thing is if you click on a gym, it'll tell you what the requirement is credit-wise per month for that gym. So I would either check that out or contact FitOn and just, ask, like, this is the gym I go to. I want to do pickleball. Is that something that likely I could do? Which more than likely, yes. If you're going, utilizing your membership at a location that offers that.
Great. I've had a couple clients have asked me, and they said, well, I go to this trainer, I go to this smaller gym, and they're not listed. what can they do maybe to get covered?
That is
anything?
a great question. So if somebody is not in network currently, members can nominate that particular facility. You can either nominate it through that website that I discussed or by calling FitOn directly, and you just indicate the location of, as long as there's a brick and mortar, you can nominate that location. So FitOn would essentially work back with that particular fitness provider and try and get them in network.
Great. It's really important to know. And I had a video I got earlier. This was during the annual election period because one of the carriers was not going to cover, at least in the Rochester region, premium gym locations. And I know certain markets, they're kind of cherry picking where they wanted to take some benefits away, where they didn't. And it kind of went viral a little bit, where there's no restriction with this. It's just a straight up credit system. Either
Correct.
They're in network or they're not.
Correct.
And that's it. And the premium locations, especially around here, a lot of people utilize the YMCA.
Yes.
And that's
we have
considered
a lot
premium
of
location.
Y members.
Big. I mean, I have a friend of mine from Texas. He goes, I wish we had a YMCA like this. And
it's like having a Wegmans.
Pool, saunas. Yeah. They have social lounges. I mean, they got everything there, and it's just fantastic. And a lot of people are really upset. They go, I can't go, or my Medicare plan doesn't cover this anymore. Well, you got to determine what's really important.
Yeah, absolutely.
And for a lot of people, the fitness one is huge. Like it
is huge because
it's so important.
I mean, not only do you want to make sure that you're keeping yourself healthy, but it's, even mentally, it's a great thing for anyone, not just like a senior population, anyone. And I think there's a big socialization factor. This is how a lot of people get out and they're able to connect with, friends or family, and it's through fitness.
Yeah, absolutely. It breaks up the monotony of the day. Get out. It's a great place to socialize, especially up here in the wintertime.
Yes.
You're inside somewhere.
I mean, it snowed yesterday. Happy April.
I know. I was driving. I go, I cannot believe how heavy the snow is. I couldn't see a thing on the expressway. I go, shoot me. I'm done with this.
I don't know why I act surprised, but,
That's the deal. I'm feeling it. This has been a really long winter.
Agreed.
I am so over it. I want summer to be here.
Yeah.
And you can't even go outside. Like, people want to go out and walk and do stuff. It's not in a blizzard in April.
No, but that's why you have FitOn. Because then you can go to your gym and do your fitness routine or your walking. Yeah,
I appreciate it, Darcie. So if you've got questions out there, I'm going to give you her cell phone number in a second. I'm kidding. I won't do that to you. Call FitOn. They are great. My dad did call them.
Good.
He goes, oh, yeah, they walked me right through it. I got it. No issues. So
excellent. I am very happy to hear that.
Yep. So otherwise, just get on your computer, and it's really simple. And if you have any questions, by all means, reach out to me. And if you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please share it with somebody, and certainly helping me by subscribing to it and liking the video. And any comments you have, I will answer questions. So thanks, Darcie, for joining me.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
And thanks for listening into our podcast.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.